Do you want to learn how to generate fight scene animation with AI, like these? In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that's going to help you to do it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. All right, so in order to create that animated fight scene, we're going to be using this tool called Luma AI. You need to put this prompt here in the prompt bar on the bottom. I'm going to put this exact prompt in the description so you can go through that, take it from there and put it exact to your prompt field as well. Now on the top, you're going to find these three buttons. We're going to use the first one, keyframe. Make sure that on the bottom right, you have selected video, not the image. Now we need to enter that image over here in the start frame. So in order to do it, you just need to click on it and enter that image inside it like this. Now you may be wondering how to make this side-by-side character image, because this is needed. If you want to make two people fight, you need to have them both in the same image. In order to do this, you can either go over to Canva or Adobe Express. So we're going to do it in Canva. Over here in Canva, I'm going to click on this create button on the top left, then click on custom size, or you can also go for video, this landscape. Then just going to click on this custom size and type in 1920 1080. Then click on create new design, which is going to take us over to the edit page. We can go to elements and find people to add. Or if you've already got two images that you want to add, you need to go over to uploads and upload that image inside here. Upload that image inside here by clicking on upload files, and then you can take them over to your canvas by clicking on it. I'm going to go over to elements, and over here I'm going to search for something like this. This is going to be really good. So a samurai. I'm going to put it on the right hand side like this, and on the left hand side, let's put a werewolf. So just put it over here. Use these on the left and right to trim it. So just click on it and drag it like this. Now set this image on the corner and use these circles to click and drag them. And that's it. We're done. Now, what you need to do is click on this on the top right, click on share, click on download, and 1920 by 1080, that's fine. And then click on compress file to get lower file size. And then you can click on download to download it to your computer. Now, once you have downloaded it, we are going to go over to Luma AI. And instead of this, I'm going to click on keyframe again and drag and drop this to the start frame. Now, next up, you have got two options. You can add a camera function to it. So camera movements, click here on the first button to add a camera movement. It could be zoom in, zoom out, pan left, handheld, and a lot more. There's also transition, so elevator door, effect, and such. If you want, you can add them, but I'm going to avoid it for now. There's also loop, so you can loop this video, which is going to keep looping it. Once it ends, it's going to loop to the start frame. So let's just click on this on the bottom right, this button over here to start the generation. And while it's being made, if you want to learn how to turn yourself into a Minecraft style character, I've made another video on it. You can check it out. At the end of this video, there will be a playlist on the right hand side for more Luma AI tutorials. And there you go. That's a fight scene. There's some glitch at the end, but it does look great. Now you can extend the video to add more 5 seconds to it, which is going to make it 10 seconds. Or you can modify it. If you do not like something inside here, you can change it. Just click on modify and add your described changes. If you want to change this entire video in another style, like if you want to make it a Ghibli style video, you can just click on here on the style button and then add that style image like this one. And make sure that it's style, selected style, and not the start frame. And then you just need to click on this on the bottom right to start the generation. But for now, I'm just going to extend this video over here and add more 5 seconds to it. And our video has been generated, the total 10 seconds. So let's click here to preview it. Now, if you want to upscale it, you need to click here to upscale this video. There's reframe as well if you want to make it into a 9:16 format, or all these other aspect ratios, you can do that. You just need to click on one of these, and on the bottom right, just click here to rescale this entire video. There's also preview here, so you can preview how it would look like before you generate it. So it's just going to preview the first frame. Let's go back. Next to it, we've got audio. You can give this video audio with AI. So it's going to add sound effects and a lot more. So let's check it out. I'm going to click here to add audio to this. You can add a description. Maybe you want to have some specific audio inside the video. You can describe it here, but I'm just going to click on create. And if you're wondering how to change your image like this into a Ghibli style image, like I showed you in the intro, to do that, you need to go over to Chat GPT, and over here, next, you need to click on this plus icon and add that photo that you got from Canva. There you go. We have added it. Now just click on this on the bottom right to start generating our image. All right, now our image has been generated. It does look a little cartoony, but that's the whole purpose of it. We're converting it into a Ghibli style animated portrait. So now you can just download this by clicking on it and saving it to your computer. Go back to Luma AI, put the same prompt and the keyframe, drag and drop this to the start frame and generate it. And that's it. That's how to make a fight scene animation with That's how to make a fight scene animation video with AI. You can generate these type of videos, keep generating them, add more seconds to it, so extend the video and a lot more. And then you can use a free editing software like CapCut, edit all your videos inside it. You can also add music in CapCut to your video. And that's it. Then you can upload it to your social media platform or share it with your friends. Also, there's a link in the description. So if you go through that link and buy any of these paid plans on Luma AI, it's going to help me out with a small commission. And if you want to learn how to turn yourself into a Minecraft style character and learn more about Luma AI, there's going to be a playlist on the right hand side. See you there and bye for now.